Hi, this is Dave Littman with TrueBit TV, bringing you another edition of Extremenar. I am here with Christoph Bertrand from Arcserve. Christoph, welcome.
Thank you very much, Dave. Thank you for having me.
All right, cool. So, hey, we only got a couple of minutes. So, first question for you, Christoph. You guys have released a new backup appliance, your UDP 8000. Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, really, it's the 8000 series of the UDP appliance. Our first generation was 7000, and we're very happy to have this next generation, which really provides enterprise-grade capabilities for the mid-market. We're adding 4 base models that will allow us to now backup environments starting from 4 TB up to 240 terabyte source data. So we're very excited about that.
Okay, cool. So, let me interrupt you just for a second, Christoph. Source data. Tell us what you mean by that.
Well, the reality is when you're protecting an environment, you're looking at how much data you have to back up. How you back it up is very critical to how much storage you're going to be using in the back end and how quickly your backups are going to go. Our UDP technology includes very efficient deduplication. That's global and that's source side. So literally, we can squeeze a lot of source data onto a much smaller storage footprint. That gives us an amazing profile from an economic standpoint. Our cost per protected source terabyte is much lower than anybody else in the industry. And that's why we can protect 240 terabyte source data with a platform that will host or on board will only have 80 terabytes.
Oh, cool, cool. And then there's also integration with tape and with cloud as well, right?
Absolutely. So we have the Arcserve Cloud service that can be leveraged with our appliance, our UDP software, and also we have great tape capabilities within UDP. This appliance, which is our second generation, comes with a bunch of new goodies. So for tape, we've added a dedicated SAS HBA. So that allows for even better performance for tape. And of course, tape is a very important part of the equation still in a number of environments. We're also adding lots of RAM options, expandability, new SAS HDDs, new RAID cards. I mean, the componentry has been seriously upgraded in this edition of the appliance.
Cool. So it's fast, and there's cloud compatibility, there's tape compatibility. How about disaster recovery for remote sites or some level of redundancy like that?
Absolutely. So the UDP comes essentially with built-in replication and deduplication, and if you connect your appliance to either the cloud or another UDP instance, whether it's another appliance or a UDP deployment on a server, maybe in a data center that you use for disaster recovery, by definition, you're replicating all of your critical data, and the UDP technology allows you to recover data either locally, and if you have a problem with that site, or remotely from another site. We have virtual standby capabilities, instant virtual machine, instant VM capabilities, and again, the ability to recover from any type of incident you may have, ranging from the unfortunate server blowing up to maybe a ransomware attack, for example, where you have to roll back the clock.
Yeah, cool. So, one of the things I saw, Christoph, in the press release was not only all of this functionality, but the fact that you are claiming, hey, you can get this installed in literally like 15 minutes. And if you can do that, if you'd be open to that, would you come back and show us and do a demo and get us up and running in 15 minutes?
Yeah, absolutely. We can certainly do that. We have a great wizard, a setup wizard, and we've had all sorts of people actually set up the appliance who are not even in IT. So we certainly have carried this capability over to the 8000, and we expect that our customers will find it not only easy to deploy, but also easy to manage, and more importantly, will provide a service level with this type of technology. And UDP is really very much like an SLA dial, and I think the appliance is a great form factor to consume it.
Fabulous, fabulous. Yeah, so let's do that. Come back, give us a demo, and anybody who's watching, please join us. So Christoph Bertrand, VP of Marketing with Arcserve, thanks very much for joining us today.
Thank you.
All right. So, hey, this has been another edition of Extremenar here at TrueBit TV. Thanks very much for watching, and make it a great day.